Hi everyone. Last lecture you start about the NDPS Act 1985. In that you will see about introduction. In that introduction you see about NDPS Act as is known as popular is meant to be face a very important social problem, drug trafficking, disorders. This is also one of the special act that has been come before the courts very frequently and having a large number of complicating judgment confusing the general public. You will see about evolution of law. This law it will be formed in 16 September 1985. The above-mentioned act were repeal or call of at Act 61 of NDPSA 1985 was enforced. The objective and legislative intent of this act you will see in the objective, that is to make a stringent strict firm provision for the control and regulation of a operations relating to the narcotic drug and psychotropic substances and for matters connected with these, and to consolidate or bind together and amend change the law relating to the narcotic drug. And you will see about definition. In that definition, addict means the person who has depends habituate to regular use of any narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. Then cannabis, it includes for hemp it is known as cannabis. It includes charas, ganja and any other mixture. This is the image you will see. Coca derivative, these four act in coca derivative. Crude cocaine, that is an extracted of coca leaf which will be used directly or indirectly for the manufacturing of cocaine. Then coca leaf means you will see about coca leaf manufacturer, manufacturing drug means. And medicinal cannabis, narcotic drug. What is a narcotic drug? It means the coca leaf, cannabis hemp, opium poppy straw, and it includes all manufacturing drug that will be used as narcotic and psychotropic substances or only narcotic drug. Then opium derivative. In that opium derivative, medicinal opium, prepare opium, phenanthrene alkaloid, namely morphine, codeine, theanine, and their salt, diacetyl morphine, heroin, and its salt. Also, preparation containing more than 0.2% of morphine or containing a diacetyl morphine. This is the image for opium plant. Then you will see about opium poppy straw. Psychotropic substances. It means any substance, natural or synthetic, or any salt or preparation of such substances or material includes in the list of psychotropic substances specified in Schedule 1. Then today we will discuss about illicit traffic and prevention of illicit traffic in narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. In that, cultivating any coca plant or gathering any portion of the coca plant, cultivating the opium poppy or any cannabis plant, engaging in it, a production, manufacture and possession, salt, purchase, transportation, warehousing, concealment, heading, use of consumption, interstate, import, interstate, export, import into India, export from India, or transshipment of a narcotic drug or psychotropic substances. It includes also dealing in narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances, handling or leading any premises for use of any of the purpose referred in 1 and 4.2. A financing an activity by himself or through any other person in the furtherance of the support of doing any of the aforesaid act. Harboring gives shelters person engaged in any of the above said activity. abetting, encourage, assist, or conspiracy planning secretly in the furtherance or any support of doing any of the aforesaid act except to the exempt permitted under the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, or any rule or order made or may any condition of any license permit or authorization issue thereunder. These are the conditions in the illicit traffic or prevention of the illicit traffic. Then, officer of central government, Narcotic Commissioner. Under the provision of this act, the central government may appoint Narcotic Commissioner and such other officer as it think fit. Narcotic Commissioner himself or with help of other officer shall perform the functions relating to the first, the supervision of cultivation of the opium poppy. It is a uh, main functions of this commissioner, that is the supervision of cultivation of this opium poppy, then production of opium and other function as may be instructed to him by the central government, and the state government may be appointed such officer as deemed fit for the purpose of this act. Then Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Consultative Committee. In that committee constituted for efficient administration of this act by the central government as an advisory committee. It consisting of chairman and not more than 20 members. Advise the central government on the matter relating to the administration of this act. This is the main function of this committee. The next provision, prohibition, control, and regulation. In that provision, prohibition, no person shall cultivated any coca plant or gather any portion of the coca plant or cultivate the opium poppy or any cannabis plant or production, manufacturing, possess, sell, purchase, transport, warehouse, use, consume, import inert state, export inert state, import into India, export from India, or transfer any narcotic drug or psychotropic substances except for the medical or a scientific purpose, and it is a manner and to be extend provision by the provisional of this act or the rule or order made for this under. These are the prohibition and control and regulation of this act. So it is for today's lecture. You remaining part of this act you will see in next lecture. Today you will discuss about illicit transportation officers of central government. In officer is main function, it is a supervision of the cultivation of poppy, opium poppy, then production of opium and other function it may be specified in the central government. You see about Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Consultative Committee. In that it consists of chairman and not more than 20 members, and advise the central government to be matter relating to the administration of this act. It is a functions and constituted for efficient. It is a constituted for efficient administration of the act by the central government as an advisory committee. Then you will see about prohibition, control, and regulation. No person shall cultivate any coca plant or gather any portion of coca plant or cultivation of the opium poppy or any cannabis plant. Production, uh, procedure, production, manufacturing, process, sale, purchase, transport, Warehouse use, consume, import interstate, export interstate, import in India, export from India, or transship any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance except for medical or scientific purpose and is managed to be extend provision by the provision of this act or a rule or order made by thereunder. Thank you.